Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can download the Forever Winter on your computer. So first open your browser. I'm using Chrome, and then search Steam. Go for the first result, and then you need to download Steam first on your device. Press this button. So I have already downloaded Steam, so I'm not going to download it again, but you have to do it for the first time. If you don't have, then just download Steam, and then you need to install Steam on your device. All right, after completing your installation, Steam will look like this. This is the Steam icon. Then you need to create an account. I have already created an account. Just if you open the first time, it will ask you to create an account. Just do it. It's very simple and easy peasy. All right, after creating an account, then this will be the Steam icon. So from here you need to go to store. As you can see, store, press on store, and from the search you need to type the Forever window. Right, then search. As you can see, this is the result. Tap here. Now from here you will find this option called add to cart. Press add to cart, and this is the view my cart. Continue to payment, and then you will have to pay for a game. Of course, it's not free. Once you pay for the game, then you will be able to find your game on your library somewhere here, and after that you will have to press the install button, and then you will be able to play the game. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.